No assembly required.
Ah, you don't stand a chance against the Frightful Four.
Pretty sure there's only 3 of you.
Let's see, 1, 2, 1.
Just attack them already!
Hey, Trapster, where do you think you're going with my stuff?
Knock, knock!
You're okay.
Oh, thanks, Cap.
You wanna give up?
Ready to throw down, are you?
Nah, we're just distracting you.
I'm stuck! What'd you do to me, you annoying robot?
I am not a robot. I am Vision, and you have been phased.
Yeah, that's not a real saying, Vision. And what are you trying to hit me with?
With glue, bro. That's my thing.
Really?
Yes, obviously. Now stop moving, bro. It's making it hard to hit you.
Right. That's not happening. Try these on for size. Uh-oh.
Whoops! The truck is out of control! Everyone, off! Yeah, we got it! Hold on! You kinda look delicious right now.